In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link CSS to HTML in Dreamweaver. This is an essential skill for web developers, whether you're just beginning or looking to refresh your skills. By linking CSS files to your HTML, you ensure that your website is well organized and easier to maintain. First things first, let's open your HTML file in Dreamweaver. Once you've got your file open, it's crucial to make sure that your CSS file is saved inside your site folder. This could be a file like styles.css, but the name isn't important, just that Dreamweaver can find it quickly and efficiently. Next, you'll want to navigate to the top menu and select Window. From there, you have the option to choose CSS Designer or CSS Styles. This action opens up the CSS Designer panel, which will serve as your main workspace for the following steps. The panel helps you manage and modify your CSS files easily. Now, in the CSS Designer panel, you'll see a section labeled Sources. This is where you'll add your CSS file. Simply click on the plus icon, which is usually located next to the Sources section. When you click this icon, you'll be presented with the option to Attach existing CSS file. If for some reason you don't already have a CSS file, you can also opt to create a new one and attach it. In the dialog box that appears, browse to the location of your CSS file and select it. It's important to make sure that you select the option to link the CSS rather than import it. Linking is generally more efficient as it loads the CSS as an external file, keeping your HTML file less cluttered and easier to read. An additional feature you might find useful is being able to select the media type. This is optional, but it can be handy if you want your styles to apply under specific conditions, such as for print or for screens. Once you've made your selections, click OK. Dreamweaver will automatically insert the appropriate link tag inside the head section of your HTML document. This means the linking process is done for you without having to manually edit the HTML code. Finally, don't forget to save your HTML file. It's always a good habit to save frequently to ensure you don't lose any progress. After saving, you'll want to test your work. Dreamweaver offers a convenient preview in browser feature that lets you see your HTML file with the linked CSS. Make sure everything looks the way you expect it to. The CSS should be styling your HTML just as you've designed. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently link any CSS file to your HTML in Dreamweaver, making your web development process smoother and more organized.